My mom is a good person, and she's not a criminal, so guys. They don't care about me. You're gonna help me, right?
We're going to continue to fight. We're not going to give up. That I promise you.
Strong guy.
Gracias por appreciate everybody's support. We done everything we could. We thank everybody for support. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
What's up? What's on?
He served this country, and you know, like I told my husband, I know you Republican, but listen, you need to vote for Congressman Darren Soto. He is the only one that has helped me. I mean, honestly, I pray to God that he wins, that he remains in his seat.
We have a military family that's being ripped apart when easily there could have been extensions made and allowed her to apply for residency.
Mr. President, you always said in the news that you love veterans, that you love our military, that you're doing everything for the military. My husband is a veteran. He fought for this country 3 times. You're not just punishing me, you're punishing my husband. Ultimately, you're taking away his wife.
We've had a long history in our nation from the Revolutionary War to World War II, where thousands of immigrants fought for our country and got their citizenship. This is nothing new.